press the record button. This is happening. This should not be happening. This should not be happening. Okay. Cool. Hello. Welcome, namaskara, to the 38th episode of Apples with Adam. Excuse if my room kind of background is kind of awful, but hi. Iru brightness no ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. Yeah, guys. Also, please remember that suppose episode miss ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, if you're missing this episode or if your friends are missing this episode, please you can always nam YouTube channel ke subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. That is Adam Pasha. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel. Today, now, I'm bringing a guest who was with me nam jotige in Big Boss my season. Okay, and it's not Chandan Gowda, though of course Chandan will come. It is Miss Fulmi Ponne Reema Dias. Hi Reema, namaskara. Hegidra Reema?
Hi Adam, you're looking super.
Oh well, as always Reema ivage ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಗೆ rate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು on a basis of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು how do you think my outfit is. Okay, so ನಮ್ಮ manager ಇಲ್ಲ, my manager's gone to check the Zomato guy. ಅವರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ, because he has to turn the camera around, so when he comes I'll tell him to do it. So yeah. So yes, outfit is made by Chandan Gowda. Big shout out to Chandan Gowda. So Chandan Gowda has sponsored me clothes nam showke, accessories Chandan Gowda, clothes Chandan Gowda, jeans namdo. Okay. So Reema, tell me, how have you been? Hey,
looking hot.
I'm looking hot. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
So tell me, how are you?
Out of 10, I think 9.
Huh? Oh, okay. You full outfit nodilla. Iro, ನನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಬಂತು. I will just put the camera.
Because ನಾನು ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Yeah. ಇವಾಗೆ ನೋಡು.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Okay.
Ese culazo tan bueno, coño.
Wow.
Okay, so
ಇವಾಗ 9.5.
Oh, I got a 9.5. Thank you, Reema. Thank you. So, sexy Kali. Salpa Heli.
How are you?
I'm good. A lot of people have been asking for you, Nam channel mainly. Nali, okay, where is your contestants, Big Boss in that? So, Reema, Salpa Nim Bagge no Heli. I did not get time to connect with you in Big Boss. You were there only only 2 weeks. Okay, though we connected, but in a different way, different connection I thought, because Reema namdu coins kaltana madittu, so alli ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. So Reema, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು, where were you born, where were you raised, ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ childhood ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ Reema.
Okay, ನಾನು basically from ಪುತ್ತೂರ್. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ IT ವರ್ಕ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 1 year ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಹೋದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವಾಗ 2 years ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ 3 years ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ.
So Reema, this Big Boss thing, how did ನಿಮ್ಗೆ did you apply Big Boss ನಲ್ಲಿ apply?
Yeah. It's like auditions. Okay, ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಏನಿತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ. What are you doing?
ನಾನು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆಚೆ. My ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ it's becoming pregnant ಆಯ್ತು, ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. How horrible. I have to exercise. See. Okay. Hey.
Okay, that's okay. So auditions ಇತ್ತು, ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಸಮ್ 6 to 7 ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ what did you do? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು ಈ ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ?
ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಮಚ್. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು, ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಏನ್ ಫನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಯು, ಆತರ. ನಾನು ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಮುಂದೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲ ಆಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಮ್ ದಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್.
ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ವೆನ್ ಯು ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್? ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ಫೋನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಕಮ್?
ಓಕೆ, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಫೋನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ತನಕ ನಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಶೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ 2 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಶೋ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗಿನ್ನೂ ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈಕ್ ನಾನು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, 2-3 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಮಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಅಂತ, ಡ್ಯಾಡಿಗಂತೂ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನಾನು ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ನಾನು ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ, ಹೆಲಿಕಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ I got to know that to 8 ಗೆ ನಾನು 8 o'clock ಏನೋ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಮೂವಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೈಟ್ 10:30 ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್, ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹೋದದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಥಿಂಗ್.
ಸೊ
ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ರು ಬಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ಬರೋಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ನಂಗೆ. ಫುಲ್ ನಾನು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಲೈಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 week ಇದ್ದು ಮೇ ಬಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ, 1 or like 1.5 week. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ಸೇಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ವೈ ಸೇಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗಿರೋದೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೀಮಾ, ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್? ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಿನ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆದಾಗ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಶಶಿ ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಸುದೀಪ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತೂ ಶಶಿ ಜೊತೆ ಅಂತೂ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ನಂದು ಶಶಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಅವರ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇದ್ದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಹೇಳಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ಯಾರಿದು? ಈ ಶೋ ಹೆಸರು ನೋ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್. ಇವಾಗೇ ನೋಡು ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಶಿ _ಗೌಡ, ಯಾಕೆ ತಾಯಿ ಡವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಯಾಕೋ ಕಣೋ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೋ, ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋ ನನ್ನ ಶೋ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಇದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಿರ್ತಾವ. ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ.
ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಶಶಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಬೌಲ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದ ನಂತರ ಫುಲ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಒಂದೊಂದ್ ತರ ಇದ್ರು. ಆಂಟಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗಿದ್ರು, ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರಿ, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಒಂದೊಂದ್ ತರ. ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಥವಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳೋದು? ನಾನು ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್
ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ನಿಮ್ ತರ ಜನ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಸೀನ್ ದಟ್ ಮೂವಿ ಶುಭಮಂಗಲ್ ಸಾವಧಾನ್? No ma. Shubmangal Zyada Saudhan. It's related to gay love, okay? So cute and pure. ಇವಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ದಿಸ್ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಐ ನೋ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ದಟ್ ಐ ಪುಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಶೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಕಮ್ ಆಫ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಬೇರೆ ಹುಡುಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನಿಂಗ್. ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್. ನಾನು ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಂಡಿದು ಸೈಜ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಥರ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೇಂಜರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಫೀಲ್. ಸೊ ಚಂದನ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಬಾಲ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ ಬ್ರೋ? ಜಾನ್ ಆಂಡ್ರೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಯ್ ಆಂಡ್ರೂ, whoever saying hi, but thank you. So ರೀಮಾ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸಾ, ನಾನು ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಇದು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಅ ಬಾಯ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿವ್ ಥ್ರೋನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆನ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಿಚನ್ ಸಿಂಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ರೋನ್ ಆನ್ ಯು. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ತೀಟ್ಲೆಗಳು ವಿವ್ ಡನ್ ಇಟ್, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ? ಡು ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್? ಆ್ಯಡಮ್ ಹುಡುಗ ಬಟ್ಟೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡಮ್ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಅ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್? ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇ ಸೇಮ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ಸೇಮ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್?
ನೋ, ನೀವ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ವೇ ಸೇಮ್. ನೀವು ಹುಡುಗ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು, ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು, ನೀವ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದ್ ಸೇಮ್, ನಿಮ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಒಂದೇ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏನೋ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಏನೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತೋಡಿ ನಾ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್
ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು.
ಸೊ ರೀಮಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪುತ್ತೂರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಸ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್? ನೋ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆದಾಗನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದು ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ತರನೂ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ನೆವರ್ ಸೀನ್ ಆ ತರ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಆತರ.
ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಬಟ್ ನೌ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಆದಮ್, ಟೆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ರಶ್. ನೀಲಕಂಠ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ. ಮೈ ಕ್ರಶ್ ಈಸ್ ರೀಮಾ. ರೀಮಾ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಕ್ರಶ್. ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತಾನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಯು ಪುಟ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಜೇಲ್. ಶಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಜೇಲ್. ರೀಮಾನೇ. ನೈನಾ ಐ ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ದ ಜೇಲ್. ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆ? ಸೊ ಚಂದನ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕಲ್ಬುರ್ಗಿ, ನಾನು SMS ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಚಂದನ್, ಇವಾಗೆ ನೋಡು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊ. ನನ್ನ ಶೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀನು ಸೆಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಗುರ ಹಾಕಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್, ಬೆರಳು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೈನೇ ಕಚ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಚಂದನ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕಲ್ಬುರ್ಗಿ ಅವರೇ, ನೀವ್ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇದೀರಾ ತಾನೆ?
ಯಾ,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಯಾ.
So somebody asked, Reema, do you have any idea to marry? Sweetie, pull this curtain. I need more light. Do you have any idea to marry? So
I'm searching. Google search kari. Yahoo search.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Reema has lift ನಲ್ಲಿ no, she has found.
No, the same question you will. Okay, one more question I want to ask you. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಲೈವ್ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
ಸಾರಿ ಬೇಬಿ, ವಾಟ್?
ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ? ನಾನು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಲೈವ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ?
ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ.
ಓಹೋ, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅವರು ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಕೆ. Where's your sanitizer?
My sanitizer, ಇರು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
You have to show that first.
ಸೊ ಈ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರು ಶಶಿದು ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಶಶಿ ಶಾಪ್. ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್, ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್. So cute. Very
so cute.
So Jana, you can get this in Malleshwaram. I don't know, nan Shashike keltini, but ivage angadi is closed due to the corona. Okay, but it's really nice. Yeah, that's all I do, and it smells so good. Smell and see. Smell and see. So another question, Reema, you have stopped acting. I haven't seen you anymore on screen. So I don't think she stopped acting.
Acting.
This is not acting.
Stopping.
So I think Reema is busy with her IT work. So see, now yellaru we are common people. Even I entered as a commoner. Correct. I entered as a commoner, and reality show agbit mele you go back to real life. You know?
Yeah, exactly.
You go back to your normal life. So ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು acting ke ishta, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು dancing ke ishta. I have always been a dancer, so I go back to my studio. So yeah, so that's that. We are normal, real people. But of course, some of us, I now have got the taste of television. Ivage nan ee show, I want to take it to television. So ee tara talk show. Because full India nalli nane obre first drag queen who is talking to celebrities. Full India nalli yavadu drag queen ee tara madalla. Then I pick up the phone, I call, bring the celebrity on my show, organize what is this talent show. Every Sunday there's a talent show. Okay, singers, dancers, actors, whatever you want to do. Nan Sunday is a platform to come and show it off. So what? ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಮನಿ. ಎಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಮನಿ ಫಾರ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ
Okay.
ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಬಿಂದು ಶ್ರೀ ಸೇಸ್, ವೇರ್ ಡು ಯು ಲಿವ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್? Rima lives in BTM layout. Oh, I'm not supposed to say? I can say, but where in BTM?
It's okay, you can say.
Okay. You want to talk to your sister Chandan Shetty, Kalburagi. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋ. ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಓಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಟುಪಿಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್
add them. See, people are revealing. Yesterday Sonu Patil ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ರಶ್ ಅಂತೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ರೀಮಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಏನಿದು ಅಂತ?
ರೀಮಾ because she is my sexy ಕಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ she robs my coins. Rima, I've seen you many times on Kalyani Magnum. You are my crush, but couldn't talk to you. You are so beautiful. I work in VMware. Wow, Rima ke proposals barta ide ivaga. Aha. Okay. Right. So Rima, nim admirer ಯಶ್ವಂತ್ ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು Rima?
Thank you.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ
ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್
ನಾನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
So somebody else is saying one time please join the live video. So guys, Rima live ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ she will talk to you. Okay, she will talk to you. Somebody says he's your senior from school. Siddharth,
okay.
Hi Rima akka, join ಮಾಡು ಅಕ್ಕ. ಚಂದನ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶೋ. ರೀಮಾ cannot go live ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ನಾವು ಬಿಂದು ಶ್ರೀ ಸೇಸ್, ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್? ನೀವು ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ನಾನು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್, ಡೆವಾಪ್ಸ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್.
ಓಕೆ. But Anirudh is a very he watches my shows every day. So hi But Anirudh, thank you for tuning in. Rima, what do you think you could have done more to stay inside the house, Big Boss house?
Drama? More drama?
Ayyo. Rima, talk in Tulu.
Okay. Vanasandi, Dada Kajipu, Dada Mantanullara, Illadulai Ullara. Adam, you also asked, no? Vanasanda had lunch.
Vara Bonda.
Vanasanda, not Bonda.
Sanda. I thought you were asking me what I'm having for lunch. I said Bonda. Bonda.
person.
Vanasanda.
Chikbalapur. Prajwal says, do you remember your old friends? He's from what is this? From your place. Victor's High School.
Acha. Hi Prajwal. Hi Ganesh. Okay. Hi Guru Prakash. Did you remember your old friends? I do remember. Hi Vishnu. Do you have any pets? No, I don't have here.
Okay.
I have at my native. Adam, you look fabulous. Dan Rima. Oh wow.
Okay.
Bindu had lunch. Yeah.
Okay. So Rima, I'm going to call you on next week again, and I'm going to do a longer show with you.
Sure.
Rima is going to help
Sure.
us TikTok nalli ಹೇಗೆ TikTok ರಾಣಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. She is going to give us tuitions. So yeah. So guys, I have to say goodbye to Rima because I have another Big Boss guest with me coming on.
Hey, who's that?
Yeah. Another Big Boss.
Okay, chalo.
Okay,
chalo.
So-
Bye. You're doing great job. Okay.
Thank you, darling. I shall see you soon. Okay. Stay in
Subscribe to the channel.
Thank you. Yes. Okay. Chalo. Bye, baby. So, guys, that was Rima from my season of Big Boss. My next guest I'm going to bring on live is Rima. I know you're watching, so just wait. Just stay online. Rima, please, guys, stay online. I will just see if this woman is here. Where is she? She's another friend. Where is she? Okay, in the meanwhile, till she comes on, let me take on a person, Arvind Mukundan. come on live. Okay, this Kalburgi guy is irritating me, yeah? I'm gonna throw him on. Arvind, wait 1 second, yeah? Just let me throw out this Kalburgi guy. Chandan, I told you once, I've told you twice, and third time I kick you out. Thank you. Bindushri, who is she? Rima is, oh, you don't know. Wait. Rima was in my season Big Boss. I'm waiting for this person, yeah. Deepika Das is watching. Hi Deepika, big love to you. And Deepika, see, we were discussing about makeup. So Deepika and I were discussing about makeup. And I'm going to show you all how to put on makeup when you don't have makeup. Okay, so this is going to come out next time. Unable to join. Okay, Arvind unable to join. I do not know why. Monisha Ramesh, bringing you on. I'm drinking cold coffee and I'm wearing brain freeze. I asked who's the next guest. Oh, who the next guest is? The next guest is not Deepika. Deepika is not in my season. Deepika is in my second season, seventh season. From my season, I'm bringing. I'm trying to see where this woman is. Guess, yeah. Wait. If you don't guess it, this is not going to be fun. Who do you think I'm going to bring from my season? Nam season Big Boss in the. Who do you think? Oh Lord in heaven. Where is she? Okay, Arvind, I'm going to try taking you again. Chandan was not in my season. Chandan was in season 7. Kavita was already finished. Come on guys, keep guessing. Good, you are guessing. Oh gosh. This top is all over the place. Look at it. Oh, oops, sorry. Okay. Hello. Arvind, can you hear me? Arvind? Okay.
Yeah, Adam, can you hear me?
I can hear you, but there's no video. Video illa.
I don't know why.
Nimdu Wi-Fi.
No, Wi-Fi.
Okay. Rakshita from my season. Aha. Gaju is supposed to come, but I am going to bring on a person. Pataki Pooja. What a name that is, dude. Is your real name Pataki Pooja? For serious? For real? The person I'm bringing on is... Oh, here she is.
Adam.
Hi.
When did you thought you were live with Arvind?
No, Arvind, network problem. I'll bring him on after you. Sorry, I'm flashing you and all. Sorry. The top is too short. I know. Top solpa chikkide. Yes,
camera a little up to all this.
Okay. Can you see me
Adam,
now?
you look nice. I like that crop top.
Oh well. How do you think?
Ooh.
Wait a minute.
Look at that.
I'm adjusting the top.
Someone has great abs and all going, huh?
So,
someone is covering like coming down.
anyways, namaskara Sneha avare. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸ್ನೇಹ?
ನಾನು ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ನೇಹ. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
yourself entertaining a lot of other people too.
Yep. ಸ್ನೇಹ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ. Everybody wants to know like where were you born, where were you raised, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿತು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿತು, how did you meet Ryan, all that in a short little thing. Just you have 15 minutes, the floor is yours. Tell us how did Sneha become
and ಬೆಳೆದದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ. ಅಂಡ್ ರಾಯನ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇನ್ ಸಾಲ್ಸಾ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ದೋಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ.
Okay, so Sneha, how did you ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು? How did you become famous?
So 10 years back, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಶೋ ಮಾಡಿದೆ for Zee Kannada. It's called Kunyuno Bara. I hosted that show alongside with Master Anand.
ಸೊ ಅದೇ ನನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶೋ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಲೈಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟಿವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಶೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತುಂಬಾ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
Sorry.
Why?
Somebody said please add Naveen Sajju. And ಇವಾಗೆ ನಮ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನವೀನ್ ಸಜ್ಜು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ she'll take the ಗೋಮೂತ್ರ and throw it in. I'm so sorry. Yeah, continue. Sorry.
Yeah, but as of now ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಗೋಮೂತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಡಮ್. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಲೈಕ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಸಾಕಿದ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ಹಾಳಾಗತ್ತೆ.
Okay, so tell me. So then, how did you become famous?
So ಹಾಗೆ basically media happened by accident to me.
Okay.
So ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. So there was a creative director from Zee who came, approached me and said, oh, would you be interested to anchor a dance reality show? And ಆಗ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಚ್ಚಿತ್ತು, ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಇದೆ. So I was like, of course I would. And ಹಾಗೆ ಆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಶೋನ ನಾನು ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಎಪಿಸೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ಸೊ
You're getting a compliment. Shrishti says, Sneha, love your accent. Yeah, she's like very
Shrishti,
sweet.
thanks.
So
I hope you're
Sneha,
happy,
when
safe.
you knew Big Boss Manenalli bantu, I don't think we both are salsa dancers, we both are Latin dancers, but did we meet before? We have met before, but we never spoke, Ilva. We have seen each other.
I think we have met on some socials. I vaguely remember.
But
Yeah.
we
Now
never
I know you as
spoke.
Adam.
Because Ibru, we will both be dancing.
So Adam andre ನಂಗೆ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ನೆನಪಿರೋದು.
Big Boss. So I think you, me, and Shashi were the dancers inside Big Boss, Silva.
I think Kavita also, no? Kavita is a trained
Kavita and even
Bharatanatyam.
even Jayashree.
Jayashree.
Even they were dancers. So I mean, I love my season. My season Big Boss was the best. Somebody says, why don't we both do a salsa collaboration? Definitely, but Sneha will not. Avaru mane olagade bidalla ivaga. Corona. She has disinfected her house and kept. So we can't.
ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಆಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Yeah,
But
she will lead me. Yakandre, I only do the Hudgi steps. So yeah. So somebody says, we miss you.
Chato Zook.
We miss you in Big Boss. Love you both. Thank you. Deepika says, Adam, your dress sense is very nice. Thank you, Deepika. I try to impress you all every day. Sneha, do you have any pets?
Oh, I have a dog, Ninja.
Is
Very, very
Where is he? Show
obedient.
photo.
ಸದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಜೊತೆ ಇದೆ. Lives with my mom.
Okay. So Sneha, new Big Boss nalli, you came into Big Boss. How did you feel? How did you feel about that?
About coming to Big Boss.
Yeah.
Actually, nandenilla, like, you know, I knew I was going to be there for like 3 weeks because nan madve ittu. So that is like a big turning moment in life. So Big Boss was just like, you know, ಮದ್ವೆಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಜೊತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ತರ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಆ ತರ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಟೂ ಮಚ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ an escape route for me, like to get away from all this. I didn't know what was happening. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು
ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದ ಟೈಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ were you missing Ryan?
Of course I was missing Ryan. It was like, you know how it was inside the house, right?
Yeah.
Your phones, no clocks, no letters, you can't do nothing, you can't interact with people, you don't even know how, there'll be moments where you even forget that the camera's on you and you're like, being captured, and this is like, telecasting for the entire Karnataka. So there were moments where I definitely missed Adam, Ryan, because I didn't have contact with anybody.
See,
and my wedding was happening. Can you imagine? Big life change. And you're like, oh my god, what's happening for that?
I think Somana came for your wedding, Alva. First News covered your wedding. News first. Yeah, Somana covered your wedding. I saw that. Somebody says, where are you now? She's at home. And Chayatra_PS says, Adam, one word to the people who aren't taking the current situation seriously. They are loafing around like brats. Sneha, would you like to... ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
See, a lot of people are not taking this coronavirus situation seriously, and I also heard that there's a lot of domestic violence that's kind of reached the peak because of the lockdown.
Yeah.
And a lot of youngsters still feel like, oh, they don't have to wear the masks. They don't. They question why should we wear masks and all that. But we are witnessing Italy, we are witnessing USA, we are witnessing UK, and we are seeing Australia drastically smash the graph. So that's really great. But otherwise, we are witnessing all these countries that are not taking it seriously, and especially in India, our population is very, very dense. So ishtondu dense agiro population itkondu in our medical system, we don't want it to crash. So we don't want to overwhelm our medical systems. So even and that is also like, you know, tumba what do you say, a lot of situations are arising where people, apart from COVID-19, like COVID-19 agide andre adu full purti limelight togondide na medical and hospitals and everywhere. So that is like literally taken the limelight. So a lot of other illnesses where they require doctors and where they require, like, it's not COVID-19, but it can be life threatening also. So that is not getting importance. So our hospitals are still for those people who require doctors and require some health assistance, medical and health assistance. And because of COVID-19, which can easily be controlled by us, we shouldn't, like, you know, push the boundaries and just occupy the hospitals just because, you know, we cannot control ourselves. And human beings are the carriers. We all know that we are the carrier. It's not a bat. It's not a mosquito this time, where we can just kill, put some pesticides, spray alla haki, adu mande sari chita size. So paristhiti illa now.
So this is what they're saying. What is your message? What is your message to the brats who are loafing around? Chaitra has asked that. What is your message?
I would just say, just try to understand what COVID-19 is, and adar bagge innu jaasti odi tilkolli adar bagge, to understand how serious it is for you to stay at home. And ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಬಹುಶಃ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಟಾಪ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ you can contact the virus and survive, but you should also be mindful about not spreading it to someone who is much more vulnerable than you. And ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅವರು ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತ ಜೊತೆಲೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, like joint family. It is, and we know how critical it is for old age people.
Correct.
So I think just be mindful and not be COVIDians.
All right. My only message to these people who are loafing around like brats are, you're going to die. Simple. Over. Die soon and go and bury yourselves. Simple. Don't such a this thing. See, because see, if you're once, twice, you can tell. Moorne sati, God only will show them. That's all. Priya Lisha says, Sneha Akka, how do you remember me? We went for chats. We had pani puri together. I took you to the bank and all. How cute.
Yeah? Where?
Priya Lisha. She's there. Oh, Akshu's joined. Hi, Akshita. Akshita is online.
Hi, Akshita.
Akshita is here. So, how are you spending time, Sneha ma'am?
I'm binge watching this show called Mahabharat.
Oh.
Actually, I started.
ಯಾವ
And then
channel?
suddenly I found this Hotstar. From the time I wake up, binge watching it like crazy. Apart from that, I do yoga. In between, I dance a bit. I talk to my friends. I'm reconnecting with all my friends, like long lost friends and everything. I'm reading this.
Oh, two
Yeah. So
two books. Okay.
3 books this thick. Attacks.
What is your diet, Sneha? Nim diet, you know. How do you remain so fit? Nim diet, you know. I know you're into dancing. I know you're into yoga. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ routine ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿ. What do you do? And one more thing.
In terms of diet,
How do you keep such a glowing face always? I mean, I've seen Sneha at the worst fights in Big Boss, but she's always had this glow about her. How do you do it? What is that thing?
I use a sandalwood face pack, like proper sandalwood face pack.
Okay.
So I use sandalwood and cream face pack. So
Okay.
that's all is my
That's it.
Apart from that,
cream ಏನೋ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. Cream ಗಿಮ್ ಏನೋ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Only at the sandalwood face pack.
just the sun.
Okay.
Use
Next question is
like all these sunscreen.
okay. Next question is Sneha, what are your endeavors after lockdown? Hey,
Huh?
what are your endeavors after lockdown? Question from Anirudh.
What come again?
What are your endeavors after lockdown?
Oh, like what am I going to do after the lockdown? What are my plans? Or what am I going to accomplish after
No, what
lockdown?
are your plans after the lockdown?
Well, after the lockdown, the big plan is to relocate. I was technically supposed to relocate to USA in April. And because of the lockdown, we are still in Bangalore.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? You'll give up your apartment and go to the States, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಕೊಡು. I don't have apartment, ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಕೊಡು. You give me the apartment. You sold it, huh?
Take care of the apartment.
I swear I'll take care of the apartment. See how nicely I take care of the room. See? I'll take care of the apartment.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, we'll talk about that.
Okay, then.
Okay, somebody, Nishant. Oh, this is one I have to answer. Nishant says, hi, Koja. Lovely. Okay, Nishant, now you're in for it. Okay, so Nishant, first of all, ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೆ ಮಿರಿಯರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡು. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇದೆ, ಬಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಖೋಜಾ ಯಾರೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, Adam, you're savage. Oh, okay, that I am. Love you, Sneha, madam. What is Adam drinking? Ido chocolate coffee. So this is chocolate coffee. Partly.
Called mocha.
Oh, somebody says, hello ma'am, you are so hot. Sneha is hot. Sneha is hot. Ado plan a house party at Sneha's apartment. Okay, idu nam friend Preetham. Preetham, we've had house parties and Ryan, her husband, makes the most amazing punch. The most amazing punch. So
I'm happy all of you like.
So I'm going to smuggle. I'm going to rob that whole punch bottle and come back. Next time I'm going to take it. Will you with it? I can't hear you. There you go.
Oh, can you hear?
Yeah. Okay. So guys, any more questions for Sneha? Because after this, Sneha, show your house. No. Yake Sneha should show her house? No. Never. Why? Simply our mane note bittu nimke eno. Yenagutte. No need. She has a house, 4 walls is there, 1 roof is there. Enough. She is pretty. Yes.
I can show you the view of my house. There's a very nice house coming.
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm back. So, I can show you this beautiful view.
Yeah, this was.
Can you hear?
This was the view I fell in love with. Oh, you know the metro station alli there, but metro illa. Metro station is there. Adam, are you ever bored at staying at home? No. I never get bored staying at home because I have a lot of things to write, entertain you guys only for the next day. So there's a lot of things. So I'm not bored. I keep myself busy. So guys, that's about it with Sneha. I will bring her on next week. So keep your questions ready. Sneha, thank you so much. Nam show mele barke at such short notice. Thank you so much. You still look pretty as always. Next week, Nano Sneha Jotige, I will bring another surprise guest. We are going to do Jodi week. So I'm going to bring Sneha and Ryan, Naina and Charan, Akshata and so this is going to be Jodi week. Next week is going to be Jodi week. Okay. So I'm going to get to know how well your spouse knows you and how well you know your spouse. Set of questions I'm going to prepare. Don't worry. I'll help you out with that. Sneha's already, her heart is beating right now.
I will win it.
So we are going to have fun next week. I was just thinking of it right now as I'm talking to you. The idea came. I'm like, what do I do next week? Jodi week. Let's do it. Okay.
It's good, Ryan. You're coming up with such amazing ideas and making your live shows very entertaining for people. And it's also nice that people are getting a chance to interact with all their favorite artists. And you definitely look like you take a lot of effort. Like you dress up and
Oh yes, the dressing
put
up
on
is
your
amazing.
makeup.
I love doing. I love doing dressing up. Best part is when we have to remove it. How it cuts everywhere. I just remove it. And now I'm happy. Seriously, I don't know. Hats off to all the ladies who do all this every day. Whew, 2 hours
Up to you
maximum.
to do it every day.
Yeah, every day. I'm getting used to it now. But thank you, Sneha. Thank you so much for coming on. I love you lots. Big hug to Ryan. Ryan, if you can hear me, I love you too. And I love your punch. Where is my Ryan? Where is Ryan? Ryan! Hi! Hi, Ryan. How are you, Ryan? I'm going to kidnap you and take you away for the punch. I'm kidnapping Ryan. So,
You
Ryan,
can you can steal the punch.
oh, I see the punch. Ryan, next week. Ryan,
I don't
next
get the
week.
joke.
Hey, hello.
Don't kidnap
lovebirds.
Ryan. Steal his punch.
Okay,
He's
so
making you a slave. Did you
next
get it?
week, next week,
He's going to kidnap you and make you his slave.
they might just talking with each other. Guys, hello, you have a host. Okay, next week we're having Jodi week, and I'm gonna ask you a set of questions, and I'm gonna see how well you know your spouse, and I'm gonna ask the spouse a set of questions to see how well she knows you. So it's all my stars with their spouses. Okay, so there's gonna be you and
How would you know the answers?
I'll
How do you
send
know
the
we are
answers.
not cheating about the answers?
No. It's on the spot. But it'll be clean questions, don't worry. Nothing dirty.
Yeah, but how would you know if you're not, like, if he answers, I can lie and say, yes, he's right, no? How would you know we are not cheating about the answers?
Because I will know. I know because I've put questions in such a way that I know the answers.
Oh, that's
Ah.
Okay.
great. Okay.
I'll join. I'm in.
Okay?
I like winning, so that's okay.
Alright guys. Thank you so much. I shall see you all next week. Sneha. Love you, babe.
Bye.
Take care, sweetheart.
Take care.
Yeah. Bye. So guys, that was my Sneha from my season Big Boss. It feels so nice connecting with all my season people suddenly. Okay, yes, I have to bring Shashi, I have to bring Danraj inu barbeku, Shashi inu barbeku, Naveen Sajju inu barbeku, Gottu. Bye Pashana. Iro, innu ardha gante ide. Where this one is going? Khushi yelli hogta idya. Okay, now let me bring on Arvind Mukundan. So there's now I have half an hour left. No, 15 minutes left. Arvind Mukundan. Third attempt of Arvind Mukundan. Third attempt. Okay. Alright. I don't know why. Maybe the lighting is not good because I feel I'm looking very oily. Do I look oily, guys? Do I look oily? Like, I feel I'm looking oily. Pasha, your Kannada is superb. Thank you. Thank you so much. Nanu ishtu try ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, you know. Okay, Arvind can't join. Arvind is a singer, yes. Where is this? Okay. Ash Queen. Let me bring on Ash Queen. Okay. Ash Queen is a makeup artist, guys. You don't know. Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good. So, Ash Queen is a makeup artist. He is from... No. Don't put all those. No. Professional show. Take that out. Oh, God. Okay. So, alright. Okay. Right. Now, tell us something about your skills, your makeup skills. Where did you start?
What I'll tell you about my skin.
Okay, hi guys. I am a drag queen. I perform in Bangalore. As I think some of you guys know me very well. So, like I perform as a drag queen in an it's an LGBT. Yeah.
Wait. Now I'll translate because most of the viewers are not English. They are from Karnataka. So ಇವರು
Okay.
ಒಂದು drag queen ಇದೆ. He is a drag queen as well. ಇವರು he has come from the northeast. From which part have you come?
Nagaland.
Nagaland. He's come from Nagaland. Now he is also performed. He's an excellent makeup artist. He does the whole thing. Our ಜಾಸ್ತಿ makeup ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೆ ನಂತರ. Okay, so yes, go ahead. Tell us more.
Yeah, so like I started working from last year with the Lalita Hotel and all those things. It's like LGBT, like it's community. So like I come from the family where all are one family, right? So and I don't might know you because we used to meet there.
So
we have been with and we had a good time with you. I love you so much. I even knew that you were some kind of famous guy, celebrity. I came to know slowly that you are a big boss from Karnataka, right?
Yes.
From Karnataka, like yeah.
Correct.
Slowly I come to know you, and I'm more interested in you, and I'm just a big fan of you.
Oh,
that's what I love to say.
Thank you. So when did you start drag? And I'll translate, okay? Translate and talk. When ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ drag start ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? When did you start drag?
From last year.
Last year?
Yes.
Okay. So what ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು inspire ಆಯ್ತು? How did you start becoming a drag queen?
As a guy, I have that kind of ability, I have that kind of talent, and then like I want to do like dress up all those things, that clothes, and then just want to show my art, my talent, my dance skill, my singing. It's just art, so I love to do it.
So I'm going to do one thing. I'll translate, okay? Wait, I'll translate for you. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I'm going to do a showcase of talent only for bit low your mobile. Okay, guys, can you see me now? Okay, can you see me? Can you see me properly? I don't know what happened to my mobile. Okay, so I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to keep a show only for LGBTQ community people, and I want you all to show me your drag. I will be the judge. When did you start drag? Oh yeah, you started drag when? Last year?
Yes, last year.
I was doing drag since 1997. So.
Oh my God!
Oh yes.
So nice.
So I want to see your talent, and let's do a talent show. What do you say? Talent show, Madonna?
That's nice. That's great.
Oh.
That's great. I love it.
Now you see the outfit. How do you like my outfit?
Wow.
Nice.
Amazing. You always I just love your anything else. Your style, your makeover, the way you dance. You're just creative,
Thank
you are having a talent.
So
and this is
what I
we
want to do is for our community, if you know any more drag queens, to come onto my show and show their talent.
Yes.
Bring them on.
Yes.
Bring them on. English song irli, Kannada song irli, it's okay. Bring the other drag queens on also. So I'm not the only one. There are people from my community.
Yes.
Even y'all need a chance to come up. Correct?
Yes.
Right.
True.
And I have shown you all the path. Now it's your time. It's your time to take the stage. Okay?
Okay.
So thank you so much for coming onto my live. I'm going on to my next caller. Love you loads. Okay? DM me and we will take this further. Okay?
Stay safe, darling.
Yeah.
Stay safe. Yeah.
Bye. So guys, ಇವರು ಒಂದು ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಥರಾನೇ ಹುಡುಗನೇ ಇವರು. ಅವರು ನಾಗಾಲ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅವರು ನಾಗಾಲ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ he knows how to do makeup and everything, and then he said okay ನಾನು ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಹುಡುಗ ಈ ಥರ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶೋ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು we get paid highly. We get paid very highly. So one show ನಾನು I think in 2000, I think before Big Boss. So I think it was 3 years ago, 3 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಂಚೆ, Maharaja of Jaipur had contacted me and said, please, I have pictures on also. please bani Jaipur ke. It is my 40th coronation ceremony. So I said coronation gotilla. How do I say it in Kannada? So coronation ceremony, please come. So I went to Jaipur. Full everything from the flights, flight ticket, stay. We stayed at the floating palace. Everything the Maharaja took care of. And it is an art, it is a color, and each song, per song I charge, num rate is 30,000 per song. Hair kudlu ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, wig ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, there's clothing, there's accessories, there's music, light, yella I take care of myself. So it is a very tough job what I do. So ee tara jana bandu, there are people who say, oh hello khoja gija boja and all. Irli bido ನೀನು ಏನೋ ಕರಿ, ಎಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಫೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ what do you say, who has the motivation to work? Me, not you. So I don't care about people who come and say, oh hello hijra koja gija, no, doesn't matter, it's okay, call. Next person online is Shruti. Where is this girl? Yeah, I told her to be online. Surabhi Bardwaj. Yes, Surabhi Bardwaj coming on next. Surabhi. Hi.
Hi, Adam.
How are you, little Surabhi?
Yes, I'm really good.
Okay.
I've been watching the live.
Thank you. Surabhi is a singer, and Nale Surabhi will be featuring in my Instagram concert. Every Sunday ನಾನು ಈ Instagram concert ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, and Surabhi is going to be featured on that as one of my artists. Surabhi, welcome to Apples with Adam. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ಶೋ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನಿಮಗೆ. And I'm saying it all backwards. Okay, but Surabhi, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ. Tell us something about yourself.
Yeah. Sure. First of all, thank you for having me here. I feel really great. ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ I'm on flute ನುಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. I play the flute.
Wow.
And I've been singing. Yeah. And I've been singing from the past 8 years.
Mm-hmm.
And right now, ಕನ್ನಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿರೋಂಥ ಹಾಡು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅನ್ನೋ ಶೋ ಮೂಲಕ I've been introduced to ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಜನತೆಗೆ.
Mm-hmm.
So ಇವಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾನೂ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು. Have you seen?
No, darling, I've not seen anything. Nijvagalu, I've not seen anything. First of all, because see, I'm a Latin dancer, ilva. So namdu genre of entertainment, not only entertainment, music, everything, it is poles apart. Okay, but for me, it is the talent which counts, and which is why adike nan Aishwarya ke call madidde and said, please, if you have any more people to send. So please sing us one song. You can sing with a track, without a track, anything. But my suggestion is, I would request you to sing, at least mute, make the music a little softer. Yakandre Instagram will kick us out. Okay?
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay.
So, one song.
Every morning I remember you. Every night I will pray for you. My heart beats because of you, and my soul I'll be there for you. For you. Not audible?
It's cracking. It's kind of cracking, but yeah, but whatever I've heard, it's kind of it went breaking. But whatever I
Okay.
oh my God, I am so honored to have you on my show. You have a beautiful voice.
Thank you.
And yaru helta ide. See, yeah, everyone's saying it's breaking. Adam, please try to bring contestants from Hadu Karnataka show. They are too good. Yes, please. Surabhi, you are on Hadu Karnataka? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು please ನಿಮ್ಮ fellow contestants the number ಇದ್ರೆ please ಕಳಿಸಿ ನಮಗೆ and I will invite them on
Sure.
the show. Okay, and Surabhi, it was lovely. I don't want people to be stuck on you right now. Jana, please ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು tune in tomorrow at 1:30 because Surabhi is going to be singing. Okay, she's already singing and I'm going to give Surabhi the stage. More songs, 3 songs. Surabhi, I love your voice. Okay, so one Kannada song. And ಇನ್ನು 2 ಸಾಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ ವರ್ಸಿಟಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗರ್. ಹಾಡು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕನಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್, ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? Right? So as a singer, what are you supposed to be doing? Singing different genres, singing different languages. That is the talent. Not singing only one language. Illa. On my show, you do what I want. I want you to sing one Kannada and any 2 language songs. Okay?
Sure.
I
Sure.
love this. I love your voice. Jana, please tune in Nale 1:30. Please tune in. Surabhi is going to be there. Surabhi, ನಾನು creative ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Group ನಲ್ಲಿ add ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? I added you on.
Yeah.
Okay, so Zubin is supposed to do that. Zubin, if you're watching, please add her and put her name there. Okay, so Surabhi, lovely having you on my show. I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Choose your songs well. Okay, because I'm going to hear you. Okay? Cool. Thank you, Surabhi. Thank you, love. So guys, this is another contestant from Hadu Karnataka. But my whole plan is to see and to bring on people with talent. Not only idu Kannada bhasha nalli, but bere bhasha aadidre everyone will know. Okay, how good they are. So I have 3 minutes. 2 minutes. I have 2 minutes. Oh God, I have only 2 minutes left. Oh, who else was on my list? I can't find.
With the N, the girl who starts with an N.
With an okay, I can't find her now. Ninanda, she's here. Ninanda, where are you? Where is she? I saw her. Ninanda, here she is. Okay, I have 2 minutes left. Ninanda.
Hello. Hello, Adam. How are you?
How are you, darling?
Super. How are you?
Good. Ninanda, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ only ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ ಬಾಕಿ. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to introduce you. Guys, Ninanda also is going to be singing. Nale Ninanda no nan concert nalli haadta ide and she is going to be singing tomorrow. So tune in, guys. 1:30. Ninanda, wonderful to have you on board with the artists. Love you.
Thank you.
Okay, I have exactly 15 seconds left. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Okay. Promise.
Yeah, sure.
I want to hear you sing 3 songs. 1 Kannada and 2 any other language. Okay?
Sure. Okay, sure.
Bye, baby.
Thank you.
Bye, love.
Bye.
So, guys,
Okay, bye.
this also is another artist of mine, Miss Nanda. And